Hello, Zach.
Number 0.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, Zach.
A green food truck is a happy food truck.
Oh, thanks for the burger, Zach. Bye.
Let's grill up our foods.
Hello.
Hello, Bee.
Hello, Zach. Can I have burger, please? I want burger this time.
Oh, it's super too.
Oh, thank you. You gave me a free strawberry juice.
Awesome.
Thanks, Zach. That's yummy. Can I have burger, please?
Oh, it's a super
What?
too.
Oh, it's fine as well. Thanks, Zach. Where are you going, Zach? Where are you going? Yeah, but can I have burger, please, before you leave? Are you gonna play your ukulele?
Cool.
Oh wow, that's beautiful, Zach. Yay! Can you sing a song as well, please? That was really good, Zach. Thanks for singing for me.
Please find the small green smoothie.
Hello, Zach.
Baby.
Hi, Zach. Hello. Can I have pizza, please? Can I have a slice of pizza, please? Oh, thank you. Is that for me?
Where is the number?
What's that, Zach? Oh, burger.
Can you
Thank
please
you.
find the number 3? Oh, good.
Oh, pizza. Thanks, Zach. Thank you. Oh, is that juice for me as well? Thank you, Zach. Bye, Zach. That's my little table. Do you want to come and join me eating my food? Oh. Hello, babe. Oh, hello, Sula. You want a taco? Okay. Here you go, babe.
Awesome.
Yes, well done, darling. Well done.
The strawberry smoothie is in the middle. Banana.
Cool.
Medium strawberry smoothie.
Thank you. Bye. pizza, please?
Okay, I'm making. What is this?
Thank you.
Ah, take you later.
Thank you, Zach.
It's pizza. Is right?
Thank you. Hi. Hi.
Behave.
Yes, Zach? Yes.
It's better. No. Fine. I can. It's dying.
Oh, thank you, Zach. Oops. Thank you. Hello, Zach.
What is it real about?
Hi, Zach. Can I have a burger, please? Oh, free smoothie. Thank you. I can choose which one I want. Oh, yes, please. Thanks. I like strawberry. Thank you, Zach. Wait a minute, Zach. Oh, you give me another one? Thank you.
Awesome!
Oh, you gave me the purple one as well? Thanks, Zach. That's really kind of you. Bye, but Zach. Zach! Zach! Can I have a burger, please? Burger. I just want burger. Can I have burger, please? Hello, Zach. Yes. Yellow. Well done, Zach. That's purple. Yes, that's the burger I want. Thank you, Zach. Yummy. Bye-bye, Zach.
Orders up. One large smoothie. Order the medium smoothie.
Hello, Zach.
I'm looking for my large banana smoothie. Can you find it, please?
Hello, Zach. Hello. Can I have a taco, please? Thank you. Okay, there is no taco today. This is taco, Zach.
Oh no, it's angry too.
It's reserved.
No.
Okay, so tell me what you have, Zach.
Oh, it's a bit angry. It's angry too.
Okay, I'll take that. That's fine.
Is you angry?
Thank you. Yummy. Bye.
One small smoothie ready to go. Where is the medium strawberry smoothie?
Hello, Zach. Hi, Zach. Can I have pizza today, please? Thank you, Zach. Yummy.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Zach. See you soon. smoothie, please?
Can you please find the number 3?
Can I have a smoothie, please, Zach? That's for me.
Awesome!
Thank you. No, Zach. Can I have smoothie, please? Smoothie.
No.
Can I have purple smoothie, please? The raspberry.
No.
Oh. Okay. Sorry, Zach. I didn't realize you don't have any more smoothie. Thank you for the free cookies. Bye.